haven't been posting much videos, but right now I'm gonna go pick up, well, not pick up, but visit my baby Kai. And basically, I'm getting it in 1 month. And right now I'm like 1 hour and 45 minutes away from where the destination is. And I basically been waiting for so long to like get a bird, but I didn't know like when to get it. So yeah, and this time I'm gonna be posting a lot more recently. So like watch my videos, y'all, and I'll keep you updated when I get like halfway there. I'll come back. I'm back, y'all, and that car ride, I felt like it was more than an hour, but it was actually an hour and 45, like I said. But right now we just got here, and where we arrived, it's called let's see, it's the bird supplies, I don't know. Oh, the pet shop. Ah, okay. But yeah, we basically just got here, and I'm about to go see my parrot. So once I head in, I'll show you guys how my parrot looks like. I'll be right back. So I just got here, and this is basically my bird. It's a Kai, baby Kai, and it's only like probably not even a year. So that's how it looks like. And his name is a female. Her name is Bubbles, but in Spanish it's Burbujitas. And I'm gonna take her out so you guys can see her. So my dad's gonna help me get her because she's pretty shy. She's a little baby. So this is how she looks like. She's just a baby. And these type of birds, they like to play around like a lot with like toys and stuff. But they're really quiet. They don't make that much noise, and they're
Brianna. Mira el periquito.
The baby. The video. The video.
Decía algo ahí en el video, baby.
And basically, her name is Bubbles, and she's, ¿cuántos años tiene?
Yo quiero.
Años no tiene, tiene meses, 5.
She's like 5
Papi,
months or something.
yo quiero tenerle aquí.
No, se le va a caer.
Her birthday is on
Cuidado, Brian.
on Christmas.
Yeah, your
And
birthday.
she's like the first baby
Espérate.
to be born.
No quiero.
Like yeah.
Espérate, lo vas a ver.
Now I'm gonna hold her.
No,
Espérate que eso.
no, yo quiero tenerlo.
No se puede tener el periquito.
Mami, puede tener el teléfono. Enseña el pájaro solo.
Espérate, Brianna.
Yo quiero tener.
No te voy a tirar.
This is my baby bird.
Diciembre.
Her birthday is on Christmas, and she's 4 months.
Yo quiero tener.
No, porque
It's
está
a
muy pequeñito. Aquí se te va a caer.
No, voy a tenerlo.
Hacete para acá.
Like, yeah.
Yo quiero tenerlo.
Put her back.
Yo quiero.
Vaya, vení, tocalo.
That's right now. It's just like a little baby, but she's gonna get normal size.
Está llorando.
She's so cute. So they have other birds. But this bird, this baby bird, is gonna end up being like this one. This is like almost an adult. Yeah. And then there's other birds here. Papi, mire.
Te va a doler, mira.
Está jugando.
Ajá.
He's playing.
No, le voy a tirar.
Oh, Brianna.
No, 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 no.
And yeah.
Vamos a poner aquí para que lo aparezca.
This is basically my baby kite, and I'm gonna be getting her in 1 month. And she's really shy, but like once you like touch her more and like hold her more, she's like more like energetic. And that's her. So cute. She's small.
Espérate bien.
She's really small.
Me lo vamos a poner allá.
Hey friends, I'm back home, and basically they told me that I'm getting my baby kite in 1 month, and I'm really happy for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And sorry for the background noises, but make sure to like just enjoy this video, and next time I'll try to make the background noises a little more better. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, afternoon, night. But goodbye, friends.